Hello everyone, today is Monday, December 4th, and just have a couple charts to show today. I wanted to show the performance of the Autotrader. This is in an Apex account. You can tell when we have a yellow border here. But first, a couple of announcements. The Apex 90% sale is over, but it's still 71% off, and resets are half price. So I think just about any account resets for about $40. Still a really great deal. Link and code in this video. Also, I wanted to mention our Discord channel is going pretty good. Only been open for a little bit. Anyway, the Discord channel, this person posted this today. This is about as good as a testimonial as I could ask for. So you can see it here. This is from someone that just purchased today. And our Discord channel is all about sharing ideas, sharing settings, sharing templates. This person asked me if I had a spreadsheet, and about 3 years ago I did do a spreadsheet. I tracked everything for 3 months in the NASDAQ, the crude oil, the E-mini S&P, and the DAX, and it was fully automated templates, 100% automated, and the results were pretty impressive. And then we had another part of the spreadsheet which analyzed which days of the week were the most profitable. I'm going to show that to you real quick here. Okay, so here is that spreadsheet that I made, and this is the ES and the NQ. These were the best performing. These are the time frames and the templates, and everything was one contract except for this template here, which was 2 contracts. And this was over a 90-day period, and you can see the average daily win and then the running total at the end of 90 days was this. So some pretty good performance in a lot of these. You know, what's amazing is there wasn't a whole lot of, it wasn't negative for the period, and some templates did better than others. Now, I haven't extrapolated these templates into NinjaTrader 8. This was all in NinjaTrader 7, but I still think they're relevant today, and some of these are still being used in some way or another. And then here's the crude oil and the DAX for the same period. And then this part of the spreadsheet was an attempt to analyze what days of the week had the highest win-loss ratio, to kind of give it some weight as to the best days of the week to trade a particular template. So if somebody owns the Autotrader, if you're a client, I'll be happy to share this spreadsheet with you. Just let me know. If you're good with Excel, maybe you can improve on these results, and it would also give you a way to track the performance of some of your templates. So feel free to stop by our Discord group. I will post the invite link. There's no monthly charge to be a part of our group. I'll post the invite link in the description. Anyway, there was a couple of charts traded today. These were in Apex accounts, and if it's a live account, it's a yellow border on the config panel which pops up like this. This makes it super easy to change your parameters. You can make a change here on the fly and it'll apply immediately on your chart. You don't have to refresh the chart for the Autotrader. If an account is in SIM, then it's a red border, as you see here. We also have our economic news pop-up window, so anytime you'll know what's going on that might affect the market, and this gives you the impact and what country it is and what the description of the news announcements and how many hours away it is. Okay, so this chart is one that I've showed frequently. It's the Super 33, and this one is the ORB, but I actually disabled the ORB, and I also changed the start time on this to 10 o'clock, and that was a great move for today because the market basically chopped around here from the open. Here's the open of the market right here. This template can handle some small losers. As you can see here, there was just a little bit of a drawdown, just under $200. There was a losing trade here. And when you get this kind of chop, it can have trades like this which might make a few ticks or break even. So it won't get killed in this kind of chop because these are 33 Super Renko bars, so they're pretty sizable. That eliminates a lot of noise. This trade here was short at 851.50 and closed at 805. That's about 45 ticks, 45 points, which is about 180 ticks. So this was quite a comeback after this loser to achieve its goal of 750 profit. Okay, this chart is a BWT Super Renko, Uni Renko 4812, and I was testing an idea. This is the Precision AI MA, and this is set at a different setting than I normally set it at, of 1350 and 1. So on this one, there were quite a few trades here, and I need to make a little adjustment in money management. I'm basically trailing by 3 bars, and that turned out to be pretty good for most of these trades. But if you notice here, these little hash marks, this is the volatility stop. If I trailed by the volatility stop, some of these trades would have had much better results without giving up too much, particularly like here and then here, especially here. This would have went for quite a ways. It didn't go to the volatility stop up here, and there were some more trades taken, got chopped up around here, but all these losers was only a drawdown of about $200 on a single contract. So the ability to absorb, there was 4 or 5 or 6 losers right here, and that only brought us down $200 with all those losers, and then it came back with a couple of winners, well, a couple of more losers, and then finally the market began to move again, and we had these 3 winners in a row, which brought us back up out of the noise and achieved our goal of $500 for the day. So I forgot to point this out because I just realized it as I was editing the video. On the 33 Super Renko chart, this looks like chop right here. But on this Uni Renko chart, all these trades were taken during that chop, and it actually achieved its goal at 9:45. So on this chart here, what looks like chop, this started trading at the open, and by 9:45, that long and that short is actually right here. And what it does, it shows the ability of the Autotrader to trade in conditions that might appear to be choppy, but they're actually tradable on a smaller time frame, and that's a really excellent example of that here. This is another example of where the volatility stop, I wouldn't have got stopped out to way up here, so this probably would have hit its goal sooner. I'm going to make that adjustment on this template. And this is why the Autotrader is so much better than trading on your own, or the ability to facilitate trades with the Autotrader is you just can't beat if you made this many trades in your own account. This was about $80 in commissions, so the net was about $420, but still, all those trades, that many trades, takes an emotional toll and wears out your concentration. So the Autotrader achieved this goal. If you were trading this manually, you might have not done this well. You might have done better if you're really good, but this is pretty good. The Autotrader was able to absorb quite a bit of losses and still ended up hitting its goal in spite of any commissions. Anyway, that's all for today's video. Hope you'll join us in our Discord channel, and stay tuned for more videos.